Hi ladies, I'm coming on to do a few more bird things for Bird Theme Week. And in front of you, you have a glass pink bird that's hanging from one of my doll windows. And there's one hanging in the other window. And I'm going to show you Cami Rose. Here's Cami Rose, and she's wearing a blue jumper with Jemima Puddleduck in one of the pockets, and she has two baby birds on the other pocket. And we have Miss Elsie, who's lying on the bed. And from a very young age, I've brought Elsie in my doll room from, like, say 4 months old, and from day one she's just been as calm as anything in here. And I think she knows that this room means something to me, and she just seems to have a knack for understanding things that mean a lot to people. She's really good with May. She's really good with my grandson, who's autistic. He can't handle any barking, and Elsie seems to understand that he can't take it. And except for one little woof when he comes in, that's all she does, and she gives him his space, because he's actually afraid of dogs. And he sat on my kitchen table the whole time a couple months ago, and Elsie didn't really think that was strange at all. She just, okay. And I know that she was fine with it, because like a week later I put a tablecloth on that table, and since it was different, she barked at it. So I think for her to be in my doll room and just be very calm, I think she understands that that's the way it has to be. But I have a question for everybody, and I hope I say it right, but I've been noticing for a couple months now, when I comment on videos to people, like, it doesn't matter if it's a video about dolls or homesteading or animals or anything like that, I'm getting an awful lot of notices that somebody has liked my comment, even if all I've said to the person was, that looks really nice or something. And I just wonder if anybody else is experiencing it, and maybe I'm just getting I just feel a little bit annoyed by it, because it just, it's like they don't even, tell me who they are. So I think I will let everybody go. Oh, and just because he's been dressed for so long in this, I'm going to show you Eric. He's right here, and he's actually dressed in a Peter Rabbit one-piece outfit, and I really don't want to take it off him. So I'm going to let everybody go.